Well, he says he took her in, gave her a safe space. Tonight, we're hearing from a man who helped the mother accused of dumping her baby in a garbage can.
Defender Sean Lay spoke to him, and Sean, he says she was planning to put the baby up for adoption.
And he was trying to help her. He says early on there was talk of possible adoption, but last week the prosecutor says that Jennifer Woodard had her baby in the basement of a nearby home and then allegedly dumped her infant into a trash can. Listen to this man. He says another person was in that basement, and he says no one did anything to help.
As a human being, yes.
We're protecting his identity, but he says he tried to save Jennifer Kayla Woodard, the 23-year-old Highland woman charged with dumping her newborn baby in a trash can. He says he found Woodard in crisis, walking Detroit streets near Brightmoor. He says she was hooked on heroin, and he says he tried to get her help. He says Woodard refused, and then came to his home months ago, clearly expecting a baby. Was she excited that she was expecting her first?
At times, and at times not.
What do you mean not?
She was deciding to give it up for adoption.
But in recent weeks, he says Woodard was getting more excited for her baby.
There were times that she'd just take my hand, put it on her stomach and go, feel the baby, and have, you know, a smile on her face.
But last week, he says Woodard was back on the street on Telegraph near 6 Mile. She could have been in labor at that point.
She was.
How do you know?
Just by the way she was acting.
September 10th, a man handed a newborn girl to a stranger at Sinai Grace. It hit the news. He showed Woodard the story and got no reaction. The prosecutor's office says Woodard gave birth to her baby girl in the basement of a home. He says a man was with her.
They sat around in that basement for hours trying to figure out what to do. That's what I think.
But the baby was in crisis at that time. She's also in a health emergency.
Yes. Definitely.
Prosecutors accusing Woodard of putting her newborn in a trash can. The baby could have died.
They both could have died.
Such a sad, sad case here. Let's talk about that baby. Still in the hospital, we are told, doing much better tonight. CPS is involved. Adoption will likely be an issue here. The man you just heard from said he would be more than happy to be the person to try to adopt that baby girl. Let's talk about Jennifer Woodard. You'll notice in our report there, no picture of her. That's because she's been charged, but hasn't made her way to the county jail yet to have her picture taken. She's also in the hospital being treated for a number of issues. We are live tonight. Sean Lay, Local 4 Defenders.